Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to mark an invoice as paid on the Invoice Maker application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the app on your phone. After that, tap on the Invoices button down below in the left side and click on All at the top and select the invoice. After that, tap on the Mark as Paid button in the middle of the screen and then click on Mark as Paid. As you can see, the status has been changed to marked, so here you can find the invoice. And if you want to change it to open for some reason, just come back to this section and tap on the Mark as Open button and then click on Mark as Open, and then it will be reset to the original or default status. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.